So once you start the job, then you can see success. Then you have to go your path. See EMP sorter file or created now 1849, right? So you have to just open it. And you can check now. So based on salary, it will be ascending. 1800 is first, then 12,000 is the end, right? So using this transformation, we will get only three operations. One is distinct, one is ascending, one is descending. These three operations. Apart from this, nothing you will get.
Okay, so sorter transformation, we can use it only for ascending, descending, and
Distinct.
to get a distinct record.
Correct.
Okay.
Like yesterday we discussed about aggregator, right? Aggregator transformation will get only aggregator transformation will get all types of
group by functions,
right? Or aggregate function, you can say group by function or aggregate function, all type of. But sometimes in real time, sometimes sorter transformation helps the aggregator transformation to improve the performance. Sometimes
order by and descending means can use input performance, no? So then we use in distinction order by.
Let's go to aggregate transformation. Let me show you how it's improve the performance. In properties, there is an option sorted input, right? Yesterday we did not discuss, right? Sorted input. See, what is the in aggregate transformation? What is the meaning of sorted input? If checked, input to the transformation assumed to be already sorted by the group of byports. That means before coming to the aggregate transformation, if you are sorting the data, it will improve the performance. How it will improve the performance? Because when you are working with some banking project or some retail projects or sales project, the data volume is very high. Let me show you. The data volume is very high, right? Suppose you have a same department number. For aggregate function, I am putting only 2. Okay, 10, 20, 10, 30, 30, 10, 20, like this. And suppose salary would be 4,000, 3,000, 3,000, 1,200, 5,000. Like this. Okay. Suppose I have this type of record. When this movement in aggregate transformation, yesterday we discussed about aggregate transformation, how how performance will improve the sorter transformation. Let me show you. Suppose when you are putting aggregate transformation, aggregator, right? Yesterday discussed about aggregate transformation. Suppose it's giving the sum of salary. Okay. When this movement I say sum of salary means how it will work. Select department, comma, sum of sal as sum sal, like this. Yesterday we discussed, right? Group by department number. This thing yesterday we discussed, right? In this manner it will give you, right? How internally it will work? Internal in memory, because we see only the output, right? We don't know how it's working internally. So when in this moment I will say sorter transformation, how it is giving the sum of sal. Let me show you how it will give the sum of sal. Suppose aggregate transformation, we are putting sum of sal, right? Sum of sal. These things we need to implement. How it will given the output. How it will give the output. Let me show. Suppose first it will go to this record. It will check it is a 10 or 20 because it is same group or other group. 10 we are putting group by as a department, right? So first it will go to this record. It will check the department or 10 or 20. Okay, 10. That means it is one group record. It's in memory how it is working. It is a one group record like this. separately. Okay, next is 20. This is again other group other group. Next group again that 10. So it will be comes under this memory, like this manner it will work. 30 is again another group. Let me. So memory like this it will work. Then again it will go to the 30. Okay, this is the, so it will each and everything, every time it will search the memory up to end. See, like this manner it will search, right? That means aggregator transformation does not know, or aggregator functionality, not in database, in informatica I am talking about. Okay, it's working like this. It will be search all records for 10 only, or 20 or 30 only. It will search all records because aggregator transformation does not know how it will work. Because maybe there is a chance, suppose 10 number department is first and third will be there. If searching fails, maybe there is a chance top bottom of the your record, there is a chance you will get again 10 record, right? Then after that it will go to the sum of salary. First it will do the group like this. 3 groups it will create separately in memory. Okay, then it will give 4, 4, 8, 3, 4, 4, 8, 3 like this. Say 11,000 it will give, and this will give you 5,000, and this will give you 6,200 like this. But when you are using shorter transformation before aggregator, how it will work? Okay, after putting shorter, the data looks like, let me show you, the data is looks like, like see 10 10 will be here, 10 will be here, and both 30 will be here, and both 20 will be here like this. Suppose I am putting the ascending, department is ascending, like this manner it will come, right? Once you will get this manner data, for that reason aggregator properties given those option sorted input. That means if I used before aggregator one sorted transformation, the data looks like this, and after that I have to select this property only, this property. Once this property is set, this property says that if checked, input through the transformation is assumed to be already sorted by group codes. That means data will be sorted based on the group. That means based on department will be sorted. Okay, how the now the aggregate transformation, how it is working? It will first take the 10, move to the next. Then it will go to the 10, 2, 10, simultaneously one by one it will go. Then once it will go to the 20, okay, aggregate transformation knows, okay, 20 will come means in future there is no chance again 10 number department will come, right? So for that reason, in this manner it will be what? So for that reason it will be giving you more performance. Searching criteria, searching time will be less time of like in memory. How the aggregate transformation will search, now it will searching in different manner. It will not doing the full table scan. It will do the, for 10 it will go only after 10 only it will search the next one record. After that nothing, these 4 records no need to search, only for 10. But in this case for 10 only it will search all records, right? So for that reason it will give you performance. That is the basic reason for before aggregator. If there is possibility, you can use the shorter transformation. It will improve your performance.
Okay. Got it.
Vidyut,
Yes.
some cases, some complicated cases, multiple transformation used. For example, first one the shortest shorted data,
Correct.
after that the joint data, after that
Correct.
any other transformation. So
Correct.
some any for example after some few classes, so
Hmm.
means you can give any means complicated examples.
Yes,
How
yes. Let me show you. Let me show you.
because the four
No.
five transformation.
Yes, yes.
Only one.
Yeah, no. Let me show you. I think after a few classes, we will, like after 2-3 classes, we
After
will,
few classes, you understand.
yes, 2-3 classes, like we will discuss like those type of programs. The 4, 5 or 6 objects you can get in one like this type of. There is some program we will discuss. No need for it. 5-6 transform lookup you can use, source qualifier, expression, router, updates, has a lot of things you have to.
Yeah, this will be helpful because
Yeah.
it will give us a good glimpse about the real-time application usage. Because
Yes.
obviously we won't be using a simple transformation in real time. So if we are using
Sometimes
some bigger transformation, then it will help.
Yes, we will discuss. No need to worry. We will discuss all those things like those type of
Okay.
application.
Great.
Because there is some program also there, SC1, SC2, there is a real-time program, how the real-time it will work. So those type things we will discuss. No need to worry. We'll discuss each and everything. Today,
As a
11 a.m. batch. Today we'll discuss how suppose after that actually one guy is working with the SBI. Okay, his requirement is from Tech Mahindra payroll. He is working with SBI, and his requirement is like after end of the, just he asked me question. Oh, his requirement is like once the informative success, he will generate each and every day one file. Okay, after generate the file, he wants to, or client wants to rename that file to as a date, because employee, suppose EMP file will be there. After that, at least you will have the date and timestamp. Suppose in a day you will run 2 times in different time. So in a day, at least you will get the 2 files. On that things today we'll discuss, and otherwise today we'll discuss. In workflow level, we did this.
means the file modification date is
Correct. So in this manner, here we will do. Today we will do here. Go to component tab. Here we can write some commands. So here we can write some commands. A rename command. How the file remain out. The real time, those type of things. Sometimes it will be. So those type of things it will be there, right? Based on requirement you have. Today also we will discuss about scheduling. On that batch we will discuss about scheduling. Go to scheduler, see scheduling. We are discussing bits of scheduling. So more slowly we'll discuss each and everything.
yeah. First one,
yes.
slowly single transformation. After all complete transformation, then can start it multiple transformations.
Correct.
First one understand what is the transformations work do.
But sometimes in real time, when the project in a production, on that time you need some see, now it's success. When you will start, only that program will start, right? But real time, daily I don't have that much of time, or client don't have that much of budget. Each and every day for running, you need to deploy 1 people, right? So for that reason, Informatica give those facility scheduler option. So you can go to the you can go to the workflow, edit. Later we'll discuss. No need to worry. Just go to scheduler. So add it. Just run integration service initialization. That's it. And suppose within let me. Now 5:17, right? Just 15. Forever. See, just click on OK and Control S, then you can go see now it's scheduled. You can see now the status will change. Workflow sort of transfer schedule. Every 1 minute it will be run. Every 1 minute it will be run. So those type of functionality also there. So maybe I did with mistake somewhere. Maybe let me check where I did some mistake. Maybe. forever. Okay. Controls. See, it's now it's showing the schedule. See now it's running. Every 1 minute automatically it will be run. Again success added, again it will be scheduled like this manner. See, again schedule. After 1 minute again it will be run. So those type of application day by day will start learning. So automatically no need to write. See, I'm not writing. I'm not executing the job. See, automatically it will be after 1 minute. Automatically it will be 5:17. It will become. It will automatically running. So real time, those type of things it will be there.
Okay.
I think for Rameshwar also, if you are writing any PLSQL code, you have to procedure a trigger. You have to schedule your job, right?
Right.
So those, because company doesn't don't want to invest money without profit, right? If those functionality in a tool or any technology given those functionality, why they will deploy one people each and every day they will run the job, right? If
Right.
there is a failure or there is some network issue or there is some code issue, there is a people they will help you, right? But if you don't have like now you can go to edit again schedule. Just I want to just reschedule. See, run on demand. Just this one you can just select, click on OK, Control S, then automatically it will be see normal on schedule. You can see on schedule automatically. So those type of functionality all are there. You just keep to remember those things. You have using day by day, it will be help to you and everyone else.
Vidut, cron tab in Unix.
Yes. Cron tab one, not Unix. There is a cron tab is a scheduler, third-party scheduler tool, right?
In coding part, in Unix or Linux, using some coding is a
Yes, cron tab. No. It's a cron tab. I know. Cron tab, control M, auto sys. There is multiple tools are there.
Multiple command using in.
Okay, you can just write a command and you can schedule a job.
Right.
Tidal, multiple options are there. Same thing it will be doing, right?
Right.
But Informatica those facility, but maximum company they are using the
tool wise. Informatica or any other tool wise facility scheduling only for the select the schedule and time. But in cron tab, shell scripting cron tab, we can create a one program. We create a coding wise. We create a coding, then scheduling the time. Yes. I think concept is started for cron tab.
Yes. Actually, earlier the suppose Oracle only coding is there, but Oracle there is nothing tool, so you have to schedule the job. Suppose Java there is some application, suppose some SMS banking or some application, but there is no scheduler for that, right? How to schedule? For that reason, the third-party scheduler came into market.
Yeah.
And once a tool is came into market, tool is given each and everything inside the tool. So day by day now those cron tab, control F, their priorities day by day is gone from market.
Right.
Almost.
Right.
Again based on requirement, day by day it will be. Now the data science, what data science people do? Nothing. They will create one. Earlier we are create some robot, right? Suppose so there is some work if we human beings are doing. There is some problem, or maybe there is we don't have that much of capability, or maybe manpower or energy power we don't have. For that reason, we are creating the what you can say robot, right? Nowadays,
the RPA,
yes, robotics. If you are going to, I seen because my younger one of the younger brothers is working with the Gurgaon Maruti Suzuki. They are creating the body, like the four-wheeler body. Okay, they are doing the four-wheeler body. How the robot will work? Inside the
I'm working 1 year plus in robotics.
Correct. But now
once create a robot, After that, only giving a input file, you are
That's
changing
it.
input, na, robot automatically work.
Automatically.
Nothing change.
Now,
Only for the view the input.
yes, now IT industry is going in that like data analytics, in data science. Data science is like a software. You can once create the software, automatically analysis each and everything done by the software. No need to do nothing by the IT people. In maybe few days, maybe 10 years, 20 years, after 20 years, maybe they will remove their employee strength day by day. After 20 years,
After 20, no, after 10 years.
after 10 years.
After
If
10
you
years.
are up to the
Last time,
mark,
one
then
news
only
is.
yes.
Please go ahead.
But maximum people, maximum IT industry, they need some development. After 10 years, there is a chance. For that reason, maximum people they are learning now data warehousing, because data science is the starting point of data warehousing is the starting point of data science. If you know
Right.
data warehouse, then you can go to the data science part.
Right.
Those are the things, because in real time data is the money. If you don't have data, you don't have money in IT industry.
Right.
For that reason only those software nowadays the software market is huge demand.
So now market is demanding na artificial intelligence, RPA, data science, the 2-3 language na so demanding because now
Yes.
artificial intelligence 2-3 year work experience 15 lakh 20 lakh package.
Yes. Lakhs, yes, 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs. Correct. Okay, if you have any questions, just let me know.
Prashant, any question?
Nothing from me as of now, Ram.
So,
Nothing from my side.
okay.
Absolute practice, no question
Yes.
automatically created.
No, try to practice, because maybe next class we will start with joiner transformation, because this is bit of complex. Not complex, you can say for Ram maybe it's easier, but
Not
maybe
very easy. John means the
Prashant is for Prashant perspective is bit of next classes.
Prashant, first to try to try to create a joins, try to studying a joint before join transformation. Na? So we understand.
So before joiner transformation, we'll in same class we'll first take all those types of joiner and how joiner will work in database. Then only I will go to the Informatica.
ठीक है, great.
I'll take, no need to worry. I'll take. If you want, you can just take a look. And Prashant, if you have in time, so you can connect or in this.
Yeah, today, sure. Yes, we will connect with you right now. Maybe after that, this session, we can connect.
Okay, sure. No.
Then this session go ahead. We'll disconnect it.
Okay. Okay, Ram. If you have work, you can. Just...
Yeah. Yes, no issue. Chalo, bye.
Bye, Ram.
Bye.
Vidyut, can I just take a minute for 2 or 3 minutes?
Sure. Just we can we can disconnect again. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
ठीक है, चल. Within 4 minutes, 5 minutes, we will connect again.
Sure.
Thank you. Yeah, bye.